Visit the American Craft Museum. The American Craft Museum is a place where you can look at and buy precious crafts. This is considered to have one of the largest collections of crafted items. The museum, however, changed its name to Museum of Arts and Design to adhere to their mission to break the boundaries of craft, designs, and art, since there was a common notion before that a craft is not a form of art, but only serves as a practical necessity. They have relocated to a bigger and newer location to accommodate a growing number of exhibits. There are even fun-filled activities fit for your family. Want to visit the former American Craft Museum? Follow these steps. Schedule a visit to the American Craft Museum. Scheduling on a weekend or weekday to visit the museum is not a problem. The museum is in fact open 7 days a week, except holidays. You can even spend the most of your time there since the museum is open until 6 o'clock in the afternoon or even beyond that, depending on the situation. You may want to check out their monthly schedule if they have special exhibits held in a month. What you should bring: you do not have to bring lots of money since the entrance fee is so affordable. They even do not charge for children under 12 years of age. Be sure to bring lots of water and changing clothes, if you have children around. They may enjoy so many of the activities that they will sweat a lot, although the museum is fully air-conditioned. You should also bring your cameras and some extra batteries so that you can document your adventure in the Crafts Museum. Remind your children to behave properly inside the museum so that they will not break or destroy anything. The museum houses precious and potentially breakable items such as wood, clay, glass, and many more. The tour will only take 2 hours, but you will learn much about local and international crafts and art. Take note of what the guide is talking about. Going to museums is a way to enrich your knowledge, not to mention your children's knowledge as well. Listen carefully to the guide when he/she discusses something about an item and relate it to your children in a way that they will understand. Take pictures as you go from one item to another so that you will have something to show your children when you ask them what they learned from their visit to the museum. Memorabilia: there are souvenir stores in the museum where you can buy T-shirts, pins, and other souvenir items. There are even pieces that are for sale if you are an art enthusiast. Be sure to prepare your cash or your credit card if you are planning to purchase some limited items from the museum. Visiting a museum, especially an art museum, is food for your eyes and brain. You should make it worthwhile and have fun while educating yourself and your children.